Tita Austria from USA Division from Cavite. Hi,
Next.
from Australia.
Next.
Hi, from Venezuela.
Name.
Lolit.
Position.
UM.
Unit managers, guys.
I'm Miss G. Gando from Phoenix team.
Next.
Sarara, unit manager. Bye.
Thank you. Yan sila, guys, mga unit managers ng RCD Realty Marketing Corporation. So, nandito kami ngayon sa... Oh, next. Lizelle.
Hi,
What's
good
your
morning.
position?
Agent lang po ako.
Hindi ka ba unit manager?
Unit manager lang po.
Ng
RCD Realty.
division.
Wala na ako division.
Ano pa yun? Yung effective pa rin. Extreme.
Extreme na kay Sir Chris.
Lizelle, guys.
Hi.
Yan. Abangan nyo sa Facebook ko. Popost ko yan. Ito yan sila, guys. At dito kami ngayon sa sige, go.
Laguna.
Your name?
At RCD Assembly Meeting.
Your name?
My name is Helen.
Position?
And you? I'm a call center agent.
Division?
I'm Rose Division.
Yun.
Got it.
Rose Division ever.
I'm from Rose Division, the regional.
Oh, di ba?